Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Motorola Moto G5S, at the first you have to open apps that you are going to use, so I will go for the calendar and also for Play Store. After that, let's open the background apps. Click and hold one of the application, then drag it right here, and then tap on the second application. And as you can see, right now we can work on the two apps at the same time. If you want to close this mode, you have to swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.